Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, today's video will be a little bit different because today I will be showing you guys my editing routine. I've gotten a lot of comments and a lot of messages about, Paula, how do you edit? How do you turn your videos into this? And what editing app do you use? And I'm here to answer that question today. Today I'm gonna bring you guys along to show you how I turn my messy footage into an actual vlog. And yes, this won't be a tutorial vibe. It's gonna be real raw and actually how I genuinely go about editing. So today will be my edit day era, so I can show you guys how I edited my previous vlog or any of my future vlogs using full mode. You would think that this is actually a whole setup and boom boom hi. No, it's not. It's just me, my little matcha on my couch with my devices just editing. So without further ado, let's edit together. I will be facing this way because I have my laptop here. I do not always edit on my laptop. I do have a separate device, but you don't need all of that. You could use your normal phone. So I will just put a screen recording here so you guys can see how this is. So you go down to the app for modem and then you go and open it up. The first thing I do is not even editing. It's about how I want you guys to feel when you watch my vlog. What do you want to see? What do you want to remember when you're done watching Paula's vlog? All I do is just I dump all my clips into Filmora. I organize it perfectly and then I just make quick folders of talking, b-roll, and then music. Now this timeline is super easy. All you just need to do is drag things around so that I can cut the boring parts, and you guys know I say a lot. If it doesn't move with the story, it's gone. Now the next thing is sound. So basically I just add music that will make my vlog feel like me. I feel like you guys know at this point already my favorite song is that Doja song, because when you hear that vlog you know this is a Paula vlog. If you don't have copyright free music, you can just go into Filmora's music library and then you can use that to make sure that it is actually copyright free stuff. Sometimes I'll maybe record a quick voiceover like this is what I'm gonna do for my day, or sometimes I just let it be and then Filmora will simply just line it up for you. While I'm waiting for my clips to export, I'll just do my basic work, which is basically my thumbnail and my channel art. You guys know I'm a multitasking queen. Captions I used to type out every little thing, but with Filmora I don't need to do that as we have a AI function to help with my captions and my text. Filmora does it all in one click and then I just style them so that they can match my vibe, and this is a huge time saver because I can actually respond to comments instead of typing for 2 hours. This is the part where my footage goes from camera footage to actually cinematic footage, like a national like a vlog. Now you must know I'm not a pro when it comes to color grading. I'm still learning, but with Filmora you don't need that. All you just need to do to Filmora color and then LUT and then pick one that fits the vibe of your vlog. Sometimes I tweak it with a little color wheels if I want the green to pop more. 30 seconds and then boom, your footage looks 10 times gorgeous than before. That is how I get my soft, golden, cinematic vibe into my vlog. Last thing I do, I watch my video with no sound, and then with sound, I check the captions, I check the pacing, I check did I say did I do that? Because you know you need to re-watch your thing to make sure it's very, very, very to make sure that it's perfect in the sense that you wanted it. When all of that is done, all you just need to do is export your video and there you have your vlog. Guys, that is basically my routine. Filmora helps lessen 2 hours of editing into 30 to 20 minutes of editing, and that is something as a content creator I need. Normally I would spend a whole day editing my vlogs, but with Filmora I don't need to do that. It genuinely helps me make stuff easier, makes it quick, makes it accessible, makes it user-friendly for us that don't know how to do all this extravagant. So you guys wanted my answer? Well, this is my answer. This is how I edit with Filmora. I hope you guys really enjoyed this in-depth explanation of how I edit with Filmora. And this does not need to be perfect. This is your routine, how you use it. Just play around with Filmora, do what you want to do, tweak, but do this. But this is just how I'm showing you how I use it when I want to edit my vlogs for YouTube for you guys. If you maybe want to try Filmora, the link to the app is in my description box. Go download it, edit your vlogs. And this is not just for YouTube, guys. You can use it for TikTok, for short form content, for Instagram. Please let me know if you guys want to see any more behind the scenes regarding my editing, any tips, any tricks, And yeah, guys, if you watched till the end, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And I will be back. Tell me if you guys want more in-depth editing like I did today. And yeah, thank you so much to Full Motor. You guys do the thing. Yay! Bye bye, Lufia, and see you next year. And bye!